Come on. You can do it. Almost there. More than halfway down. You can do it.
No.
Please?
No, I can't do
It's good for your tummy. Can you handle it? One last one.
Tiny sip?
Huh?
I want tiny sip.
Okay, take one big sip. Last one really big one, and then empty.
No. Oh, I want candy.
Okay, I'll give you some gummy bears. You can do it, big boy. Almost there, good job.
Daddy, that's enough.
A little bit, can you do a little bit more?
Mm.
No? Okay, thank you.